Meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, we sure have a lot of clouds as we're looking at our cameras across southern New England. Right now, from the preserve in Richmond, we do have an overcast sky. Every once in a while, we do catch a break where we can get a ray of sun through. And this low-level bank of clouds is actually reducing visibility on the roads as we look toward the Pawtucket area. Meanwhile, here in Providence, we also are holding on to some clouds early on. This is all part of some fog that has moved in during the overnight, and it's taking its time moving on out this morning. Visibility down in Pawtucket has dropped below 2 miles. It's not enough to impact forward road travel, but it is enough to certainly let us know that it is there. So our temperatures are running in the 60s and lower 70s, and we're almost mirroring that with our dew points. When our temperatures and our dew points meet, that gives us a relative humidity of 100%, which means something's going on. And for us, that something happens to be some fog. So here are our dew points. Again, they're almost identical to our temperatures. So it is super muggy out there. Dew points higher than 60 indicate that it is humid out there. Dew points higher than 65, that's like the air you can wear. Dew points higher than 70, that is heading toward tropical humidity, and that's where we have been living yesterday, and we're likely going to do so for at least the first half of the day. We may get some areas of some minor improvements this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon, but otherwise we are expecting to be very humid or oppressive in terms of humidity through the middle of next week. Winds are generally light to calm, and if we're going to see some locally dense fog, this is an ideal thing. You see, wind and fog don't exist well in the same space, so a calm wind allows fog to thicken up, and again, it has, particularly in the Pawtucket area this morning. Our satellite and radar are checking clear in the upper levels, so if we were to sweep away the fog, we'd actually have mostly sunny skies in place, and we're going to get there. We just have to be patient with it this morning. It's going to take some time before we burn off the fog. Our next weather maker looks like it'll be coming in as this cold front from the west, but we're looking for it to lose a lot of its oomph as it moves from west to east. So by the time we get to the afternoon, we should be mostly sunny or fully sunny across the region. And then we start to see some clouds move in. The precipitation should be sort of wrung out of that cold front so that when it gets here tonight, it's simply going to be just a cloud maker for us during the overnight. And then we go through the day on Saturday, where we will likely see a pop-up shower or a thunderstorm in the afternoon. And we're going to repeat it again as we go to Sunday. So the clouds roll in during the overnight, some patchy fog in here as well. And then we bring in that chance of a shower or thunderstorm for the afternoon. Now, in terms of these thunderstorms, we're not looking at severe thunderstorms. That's the kind that bring torrential downpours and frequent lightning and hail. We're not expecting that. So at least we have that going for us. So the chance is there, but they're not expected to be the damaging type of thunderstorms. So today is actually going to be a great beach day once we clear out this morning fog. Your oceanside high near 80. But once we do break the fog, we're going to bring that UV index up very high, which means you could burn as quickly as 15 to 20 minutes if you're unprotected. So don't forget the sunblock. It's kind of required today. Mostly sunny, hot and humid today. Look for a high near 89. Our forecast for tonight, increasing clouds with the low once again dropping into the upper 60s. And our extended forecast shows unsettled weather not only for Saturday but for Sunday. Each day has a 20% chance of a late day shower or isolated thunderstorm. And we are looking at likely rain on Monday, but those showers have the potential of being locally heavy at times. So we're